Everyone, it's Robin, RS Island Crafts, and welcome to my studio. Advent Day 14. We are not halfway through. That means we still have plenty more to go. I wonder, remember Johnny Carson? I wonder what's in this package. It's fabric, yay! But I wonder what it is. Take a moment and contemplate that. No, we're not going to take a moment. We're just going to tear into it. Except we're going to do it slowly because my friend has the best Scotch tape in the world. Look at that. I chopped it open. Today's fabric is brought to you by Where's Waldo. And it goes so well with yesterday's fabric. Isn't it great when you have a friend that listens or knows what you need before you know what you need? I love it. Thank you so much for contributing to my stripe collection. Now, what did you receive? Day 14 of the Christmas Advent of Self-Care. We have 2 bits of fun fabric. And this time we have Smile Line gel patches. Now, I'm not saying my friend has wrinkles or anything like that, but I heard that these were really fun, and I thought if nothing else, she could pop these on and just laugh hysterically while sitting in the hot tub, enjoying a nice warm bubble bath, or just sitting by the fire and watching it snow. Her moisturizing Smile Line patches help skin look visibly younger and more radiant. There you go, my friend. You will now be younger and more radiant. I hope you liked what you received. Come on back and we'll do it all over again tomorrow.